What's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we talk about shuffles in the style of Stevie Vaughan or whatever. I'm gonna explain how to play it and how to learn it. Okay? So a lot of guitar players have a problem with this. I guess I never really... I did work on it, but it kind of came natural to me. So the first thing we got to do is we got to find some kind of bass thing that we're doing. So let's pick something simple like... Okay, we're in E. So that's open E, 4, new string, 2, 4, new string, 2, 4, 2, new string. Okay, and then we're going to do the same thing in A, but let's stay on E first. So every time we play a note, a bass note, we want to get that happening. So let's start by practicing just upstrokes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Every time I hit the doing the up thing, I'm also muting with this part of the hand. So it's not like this. Up, mute, up, mute. I'm muting on the way down. And I'm hitting the E and the B string, not the E too much, because then we're gonna get like a minor feel. So mostly the E and the B. Then we can start adding the E. And then we can do E and A flat, so 2 notes on E. Four, 3, 4, 3, 4, 3, 4, 3, 4. This also, I feel like it's easier when you play faster, but I'm doing it slow for you guys now. Alright, let's add 1, 2, 3, 4 notes. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3. Let's add all the notes. Okay, and then we're going to go to A, play the same thing. Back to E. And then we're going to go to the 5 chord, which is 2, 6, new string, 4, 6. 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3. and then the same thing on A this time. So that's open 4, 2, 4. From the B. Again. Back to E. And then we want to end with a B7. The most important thing is to get this happening. And then we speed it up when we got it. And we can change the bass notes to whatever we want. Awesome, thanks for tuning in for this. I might do some more lessons about shuffles. It's a cool thing to teach and learn. Thanks guys, see you tomorrow. Thank you.